Ascent rear LED light upgrade. Here's a quick how-to. So here's the LED light, got tape on it and various connectors. I'll link this. This is from Diode Dynamics, made in the USA. And they've got a bunch of adapters you can connect to it. And here's one for the wedge bulb, which is what comes in the factory Ascent cargo light. So I'm going to take this out. I'll use the adapter to put it in, run the wiring, and we're going to put it up in the back of the car. So how to remove the trim. There's a few write-ups on how to like remove all of this completely. We're not going to do that. We're just going to get it out enough to be able to stick our hand back in there where the light is and be able to run some wires. So this top part, I literally just yanked on it and it came down. To get this pulled out, all I had to do was remove 2 Phillips head screws. One that's here for the like cargo net thing or whatever this is for. Actually, I think mine's broken. I'll show you on the other side. One that was here and one that was behind that trim, that hidden plug. So I unscrewed those and just pulled on this and it came right out. So we're gonna run our wire from here up to here, double side tape the light on, and it'll work, hopefully. So we're gonna run this wire through. Just running the wire through down to here. We're gonna connect it in there, and then this is gonna go up here. Here's the adapter from Diode Dynamics to adapt the wedge bulb socket to fit their LED light. Okay, I ran the LED light down into here. I've got it coming out of the opening where the cargo light is. There's the cargo light housing. Just use a plastic trim removal tool or a small flathead to pry it off of here and it'll come right out. Now we're gonna connect the two, reinstall the light, and hide the wiring, and we'll be done. Okay, quick function check. I've got the wiring going up here. I haven't hidden it yet completely, but that's where it'll go. We've got the original plug connected. So here we go. All right, looks like it works. Okay, I left my heat gun somewhere else, so I'm using Awesome Pink hair dryer. I'm just gonna heat this adhesive up just a little bit before I pull the tape off of it and go ahead and stick it in its final resting spot. That way it's got some good adhesion.